Hi there, this is Jenny Alligrant, Senior Consultant with 31 Gifts. I'm going to show you guys an Office on the Go bundle today. I'm going to show you 3 products real quick that I think would be great if you need to take your office with you, or if you're a teacher and you need a couple practical solutions for getting everything that you need to work. So I'm going to start off first with our fold-in file. This is the fold-in file, and it's perfect size for hanging file folders or binders or folders that you need to have organized inside. It has a bottom that folds up so that when not in use, it folds completely flat. And then when in use, you can expand and use these 2 stretchy pockets in the front for your Post-its and pencils, pens, things that you want to have easy access to. And then I'm going to suggest you take that and put it inside of our zip top organizing utility tote. Now this is a retired print, but we have lots of fun new prints available for you this season. So this bag actually already has a fold-in file inside of it, but I'm going to show you the outside of the bag first. So this bag has 7 exterior pockets. 1, 2, a little bit wider, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 pockets. It can be personalized, and these are all perfect size for like a thermos for a drink, for example, or having organized all of those pouches that you need. If you're using this as a toddler bag or a diaper bag, it's perfect, by the way. But also thinking about teachers and all the things that we have to carry in our bags, because I myself am a teacher. This was one of the first teacher bags that I got. So it does have a zipper closure. That's why it's called our zip top organizing utility tote. And that's really handy for having in the car. If your bag falls over, you don't lose everything in it. And then on the inside of this one, I do have a fold-in file already on the inside. It fits perfectly. It gives extra structure to this bag, so I can fit everything that I need inside of my fold-in file in my zip top organizing utility tote. Now, if you need to organize some smaller things for business, for example, I'm going to recommend you pair that with our Get Creative pouch. So this is in charcoal crosshatch. It has a Velcro pouch on the outside, Velcro pocket there, and it zips shut. I'm going to open it for you. And then on the inside has spots for pens, pencils, highlighters. This PVC pouch is great, and I usually keep my external hard drive in there, but also when I'm out and about, I have another one for business that I keep like my postage in, some mini catalogs, and then back here where I have this other spot, this is where I keep like my thank you cards for my VIP customers and things. But this is a great little office on the go. You keep your external hard drive, your little flash drives, and everything that you need for a portable business all together. If you're one of my nail consultant friends, these are also perfect for keeping twosies and all of your other direct sales materials that you need to have. And it can be personalized, which is super sweet. So if you were to get yourself the Get Creative pouch and our fold-in file, then you qualify for our customer 50/50 special, which means that with a $50 purchase, you can get the zip top organizing utility tote 50% off as a customer special. So I would love to help you put these things in a cart and personalize them for you. Personalization is one of the super sweet things about 31 that I just love, and making things your own. I'd also love to help you put them onto a party and get them for free by doing a bingo night with me, or a party in a post, or my battle of the hostesses. So if you'd be interested in any of those, let me know if I can celebrate, encourage, and reward you. Thanks so much.